let's jump right into what I've been up to lately. Again, if you are here for the thought of the day, or if you're here for both, I hope that you're here for both. But if you are here for the thought of the day and you enjoy those, stay tuned. It will be at the end. So, yep, I've been on another Cupcake Doily making kick. I guess y'all could tell this is one of my most favorite things to make. I love these. I could eat them off a spoon. So, let's see what I got here. What have I done? Okay, so over here on the jump ring, which you can undo, take apart, add more, whatever. You could take this off. You can make it a keychain, make it a bookmark, whatever you want. I got a little boho, little fluffy boho, what, keychain? Dangle. There we go. I just love this little gem tied on there. I love that color. I love it. It goes so well with the lace dangle. All right. How pretty is that? Pretty. And so many tucks. I doubt that I'll be able to show every one of the tucks that I got here because I don't remember them all. I put so many little tucks all throughout this journal. Hey, how pretty is that? So flip over the front page. Got a little Victorian shabby boho girl on this frame with some of Esme's gorgeous applique here cut out, lined with some sparkly lace, and again, just tucks. Over here, a bunch of collaging. Pull off that. There we go. Some pretty roses. I'm selling these washi stamps. Can y'all see? It's washi, but it's a stamp. And I've got numerous in my Etsy shop, and these are some of the ones that you will find in there, if you like that. Little vintage frame that I made back here. I don't think I have these frames in my shop yet, but I do plan on putting them in there. They'll be a digital with a bunch of little tucks here and some sequins and flakes there. How beautiful is that? How beautiful. I love it. The majority of the lace, not the doilies this time, but the majority of the lace and appliques that you see, you can find at Crafty Me Shop on Facebook. Here we've got a pretty little image. This did come from my shop. I actually have some digitals with that on there and some tags made. But how beautiful is that? Dangly applique. I love it. So much sparkle. I don't know if y'all can see the sequins, but they're just flooded within those pearls. Gorgeous. Another really big collage area here with another one of those stamps and a pretty little piece of applique and a little snippet here on top of one of the frames that I've made with the cutest little pearl tucks there. Love it. And y'all, look at that. You know, I've seen this so many times. Obviously, I own it, and I have several, even though this might be my last one. I don't know, but I just, you know, I'm sitting here right now, and I'm just staring at it. It's just so beautiful. I love it. All right, so there is this one. Will be in my Etsy shop. I'm sure by the time this video comes out, it will be there. And it might be gone by then. These usually go pretty fast. All right, so what have I got here? Let me check my camera, make sure I'm in frame. I am. Okay. All right, so with this one, I did a little bit of a different dangle. I got some lace with the fringe and turned it into a detachable dangle. And here, y'all look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The sequins, the bling, just beautiful. Got a little tiny piece of pink blingy mesh here. All sorts of tucks back here underneath. To me, that's one of the most beautiful Victorian prints that I've ever seen. And I do believe that this I got from Artie Mays off of Etsy. Pretty sure that's hers. On the back, this is actually a piece of Esme's Crafty Me Shop lace. And I just really thought that that flower was cute and would be perfect there. So I just cut out the little single piece. Added some pretty dangles there. Another cute little Victorian girl with her dog. Love it. I made a frame out of lace and pearls and did a bunch of cute little tucks all hidden in here. And again, with these two, I've done so many tucks, y'all. I'm sure that I'm leaving a lot of them out to point out to y'all. Back here, I've got one of my flowers made out of alpaca fibers with a really pretty little brooch on the back. Here, we got another one of those little Victorian girls with a snippet that I made. And on the back, I want to talk to y'all about this. On the back, I was doing the back, and I remembered that I had this. This is from Esme's Crafty Me Shop. I remember I had this, and I thought, well, that would be really pretty there. And I put it on. I was like, yes, I love it. But I bet I'm not going to love it from behind when I flip it over. So I put it there, didn't glue it down yet, of course, and flipped it over and was like, oh, I love it. It's like angel wings almost. But anyway, I love it. Very, very, very unique looking, in my opinion. All right, so those will be available in my Etsy shop if they're still there by the time this video comes out. A lot of times they sell within 1 or 2 days, so I can't promise, but you can have a look. There might be other ones there by then that you'll like if they're not there. Okay, so my thought of the day, I wanted to give another tip to immediately just relieve some of the symptoms of anxiety. We've been kind of on an anxiety talking kick here. And that tip is, have you ever watched a baby breathe? They breathe all the way down into their stomach. When they breathe, if you watch their belly rises and then it goes down. It rises, it goes down. Now watch the way you breathe. We as older people, adults, I'm not sure exactly when it happens or how it changes or why it changes, but we only breathe into our upper chest. We don't breathe all the way into our belly. I'm not certain why this is. But if you are feeling super anxious, take some deep breaths all the way into your belly. Let your belly fully expand and then breathe it out. See, I've just done it just that one time and I could already feel a little wash of relief. Yes, I'm stressed. I've been so swamped lately. And out. It feels so good and you can just feel the symptoms being relieved. I hope this helps y'all, and until next time, y'all get busy creating and relieving some of that anxiety.